Welcome back again, YouTube, and this is the radio that I was working on the last time, and this is the transformer that we discovered had failed. My new transformer has arrived, and there she is. This is the RS part number, if anyone's interested. So RS is well, I assume it's worldwide. It's a UK brand at least of electronic components. So there is some differences to the two transformers I got. So I got these mainly because they're both 12-volt outputs and they are the same physical size, so it'll fit in the housing. The input on this is, I don't know if you can see, 115 volt, whereas this is 240, but there's two inputs. So what we can do, we can link 115 to the 0 volt and then put 240 across both coils. So that'll make it a 240 volt transformer. And the outputs on this one, we have three outputs: ground, plus 15 and minus 15. And on this one we've got ground and 12 volts, ground and 12 volts. Well, not ground, sorry. In all cases it's 0 volts because our transformers are isolated. Try and make that clear. But what we can do is we can short out the 0 volts to 112 volts, and that will become 0 volts plus 12 volts and minus 12 volts, where the 0 volt is. Again, transformer, everything's isolated, so everything's referenced to whatever reference you want it to be, so we can make 0 volts and plus 12 volts referenced. And the other thing to point out is it's pointless saying plus 12 volts and plus 12 volts here because it's all AC. So this is just plus 12 volts when this side is minus 12 volts. Obviously, due to the sine wave, this will become plus 12 volts when this is minus 12 volts because it's alternating every cycle. So I wired that up now, so it's douche, 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 ding. So some soldering later. This is what I've ended up with. I've got a short link between the 102, 115 volt coils. So my 240 volts goes on the outside pins here. And on the other side, I've got a link between the two 12 volt coils. So my middle coil here, my middle wire, is tapped across the link, and that's my 0 volt rail. And then the two outside ones are the plus and minus 12 volt. Again, doesn't matter which way around they go, it's AC. AC is AC, so it's one and the other. So all I've got to do is put the solder on the mains leads, solder this end of the wire to there, and it should work. Hopefully. Or it will release loads of smoke. One of the two ways, it'll be exciting. So the new transformer is in and wired up, and we have a red light suggesting there is power to the Bluetooth module. Woohoo! So, all looks like it's working, but there is an issue. If I turn the radio on, there's this buzzing noise, which I think is coming from this relay, possibly? Or does it come from the speaker? I'm not sure. Turn it off. It's now on Bluetooth mode. Got my phone connected here. So I'm going to play a video. I'll play one of my videos to avoid copyright stuff. So let's play one of my videos. I'll play the one where I fixed this originally. Here it is. Loading.
Hello YouTube, and today I have a radio, and this is a radio I've already modified, and yeah, I've fitted a Bluetooth module so it could be a Bluetooth radio.
So I sound weird and like a robot. Nothing new there, but yeah, I sound even more weird. So I seem to be clipping, so I don't know why. It must be that this transformer is too low a voltage. I did first suspect this was a 15 volt transformer, but I got a 12 because I thought, well, runs off a 9 volt battery, must be fine. Clearly it isn't. So I've got the wrong transformer. Do I need a 15 volt? Oh, why is things never easy? The reason I couldn't tell, because there's no part, well, there's a part number in here, but you Google it, nothing comes up. And I had to make a guess because this is broken. The inputs, coils, open circuit, so I can't power it up to check the output voltage. So I might need a 15 volt transformer. That's a pain. I'm going to go home and have a cup of tea. Right, for now, see you next time. As I'm, again, upset and disappointed. I spent all that work and I just get noise and crackling. So see you later and bye.